Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this Jacob's porridge. This is that porridge that made Esau to sell his birthright. Now let me show you how I made this. You will be needing some unripe plantain and ripe plantain, some cocoyam and half tuber of yam. Now go ahead and peel the yams, cocoyams and plantains and cut to your desirable shapes. Wash thoroughly and transfer into a bowl of water and set aside. This will make the yam not to change color. And we are done prepping. In a clean pot, I added some goat meat properly cleaned. Now season with some onions, add some salt to taste, add some seasoning cubes, give it a properly stir, cover and let it cook on its own juice for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir and add in the washed yam, plantains, cocoyams, add some crayfish, some fresh pepper adjust to your taste, seasoning cubes and red palm oil. Mix to combine. Top it up with some water to the level of the content in the pot. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings if needed. Cover and let it cook until it is soft or thickens to your taste. After some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. It has sticking to my desired consistency. I added in some grilled mackerel fish, add some oil beans known as ukpaka. It is time to add in the vegetable. Here I'm using some fresh spinach. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Go ahead and mix until they are well combined. Once done, cover the pot for about 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a good stir and it is ready. It is time to serve. This porridge is so delicious and irresistible. No wonder Esau could not resist it and had to sell his birthright just to have a taste. Now I have shared this recipe. You don't have to sell your birthright like Esau to have a taste of it. Simply follow this step in this video and make your own delicious Jacob's porridge. Let me know if you will try this out in the comment section. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.